everybody, and welcome to video 6 of our flip-flop folio favorite foods series. And as you can tell by the piece of wood, this is going to be the flip through. Now we're going to go over my little spiel before we start the flip through, and that is I would love it if you would go visit the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group or the Junk Journal tutorials, videos, and projects Facebook group. It's my new one, so I get it wrong sometimes. And you can do all kinds of stuff there. You can post your YouTube channels, you can post your YouTube videos, you can post your freebies through your Ko-Fi, and on Thursdays you can post your Etsy and Ko-Fi shops. Okay, and we have Freebie Friday. We have YouTube Tuesday. We have, let's see, Etsy Thursday. Okay, so anyway, it would be great if you would go over there. If you've liked this series of videos, be sure to start at video 1 because we had a good time doing this, our flip-flop folio. Then give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and if you are a subscriber, welcome to another flip through. Okay, so like I said, this is the flip-flop folio of favorite foods, so that means it's a flip-flop. So on the cover are some real flowers that I pressed. These are lilacs, and no, I'm sorry, these are lavender, which go along with the herb theme. And this kit herbs is from Victoria Designs. They actually still sell it, and it's on sale right now for $5.52. They always run a 50% off sale, almost always. I've never been to the site when they didn't. So you can jump on over there and get this exact same kit for just $5.50. Now, on the cover, I used some tape. Oops. And I'm murdering my flowers. I better keep my fingers off of it. And the tape that I used is really cool. This is heat tape, and you can get it at Temu.com. You can get 4 rolls for $5 or $6. And it looks like this when you tape it on there. And it doesn't matter that it's yellow underneath. It was a printed piece of tape. But that's what it looks like when you put it on. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So it's really cool. It works great for vintage tape application. Now, these little tags come out. Oops, this one got caught in the glue. There we go. This one comes out too. A watering can. We can water our lavender. And then you open the first page. Oh, and I stamped the tabs. And you open the first one. And now, I didn't put the recipes in here. What I did was I left it blank to show you what it would look like if you made one of these and gave it to someone for them to put their recipes in it. I will be providing a PDF if you're a member of one of the 2 Facebook groups for free with some recipes in them from the Pioneer Woman. Now, she's famous. She has a magazine and books and a TV show and all that. And her website is awesome for finding recipes of all kinds. So I'll try to make a mixture. And I'll also put a link to her website. You know, now that I think about it, I'm not sure that I can just snag them off her website and put them in a PDF. So I will have to look for some through Google or something like that. So anyway, if I can, I'll provide some recipes, and maybe I'll ask for some in the groups and see if anybody will give me one or 2 or 3 so I can put some in a PDF. And anyway, this has a magnet, and it opens this way. Oh, look, a card I forgot. I thought I got them all. And then you have writing lines here for your recipe, and here you have enough room for maybe a small picture of your recipe, what it's going to look like. maybe 2-ingredient cookies or something like that. And then you can write the name of the recipe, and then you can write your quick little recipe there. Okay, some of these have image pages that you can't write on, but that are pretty, and they're in the kit, and they have herbs on them, and so you can't have every page look like this, or it wouldn't be a very fun book. So now this flips up. It's a double flip up, sort of like a waterfall, but not really. So it flips up like this. And I have a card. When you take the card out, there's space on the back to write a recipe. And then when you take the card out, there's also space here to write a recipe. Okay? And then I put this little piece of ephemera here. And then there's room for you to write here maybe the name of the recipe that's behind, so that you know that it's back there. Okay? Then down here is that notes page. And you've got lines to write there. You can put notes, or you can put another recipe. And then we've got another flip up, and we have another card, and then another space to write behind. And we have place to write here. This little tag comes out. And then both of these flip back. And they're held by magnets. Okay? You switch this, and up here you have a double card place where I've got 2 cards. They're large, 2 large cards. On this page here, I took a complete picture and cut it in half, and half of it is on this flap, and there's a little card in here that you can grab, with the thumb pull, supposedly, or you may have to go like this. Never do this during a flip through, right? I just stuck little cards in there because I had them in the ephemera. So then you flip this open, and you've got space to write here. The same with this one. It has a little card in it. And then you flip that open, and this is the back of that whole page. So you've got a place to put 2 smaller recipes, or you can put 1 large one, and there's space to write up here. So we'll flip these back. Then on this page over here, I forgot to put the card in over here too. Well, there you go. I guess I really didn't do a good flip through myself. So there's a card here, and a card here. And this one, the pockets overlap a little bit, and there's a place for you to put another word or something there, which I didn't do. I was wondering if it would get kind of caught on the thing. I'm not sure. There's a pocket inside here, and then this is a large tuck for another large paper or card. Okay? And then we get to the back of the flip-flop. And there's a hidden pocket here waiting for a card. I didn't put one in there because I like the hidden pocket. And so I just left it the way it was so that you could put it in if you like. So then you flip this over. Oops. You flip this over, and you've got the inside of the flip-flop. And this is a tuck, an up tuck. Not an up tuck, an up tuck. Now this is an extra page I put in using an envelope. So, yeah. So this is not normally in the flip-flop. So I added it in. And then there's a place to put a recipe here. On the back side, there's a place to put a recipe here. There's a card in here that's the full size of this, so you can put a recipe on that. Over on this side is a card, and you can put a recipe on the back. You can write on the front. There's a place on the back with lines for you to add another one. So there's lots and lots of recipes that will fit in this flip-flop journal. And then when you flip it again, then you come back around to the front. Okay? So there's our flip-flop folio of favorite foods, and it's the kit Herbs from Victoria with an E, Victoria Designs on Etsy. And right now you can get it for $5.50, and it's a Victoria design kit. How do you like that? So I will see you in the next video series, and that will be just a second for you, because actually it will be another video series starting tomorrow, and that'll be a day for me. Okay? You have a great day, and thanks. Bye-bye.